My name's Paul, and I'm the product specialist team leader. My current kit consists of a Nikon D810 and Nikon D4 because when I'm doing event work, I just always appreciate having two cameras with two different focal lengths on it. For film shooting, I have a Nikon F100. For a long time, I thought that my dream kit would be a Leica 240 or a monochrome Leica, but after testing the GFX-R, there's just something about the way the camera feels when you're shooting with it, and the Fuji GFX glass is just something truly spectacular. And compared to other medium format cameras, between the price, the ergonomics, the operating systems, there's just something really, really great about the Fujifilm camera. I don't have a favorite photographer, but I would say someone who's been very influential to my photography career is one of my high school mates named Matt. For the last couple of years, I've been assisting him and his girlfriend on a bunch of different types of photo shoots in the studio, on location, and I've gotten to travel around with them. And I've been a part of a lot of really interesting shoots that I don't think I would ever do by myself. I think the next thing for me to do is to do some combination of either printing or bookmaking. Over the last couple of months, my style of shooting has turned from doing single images to creating sequences and storyboards that I try to tell not just a story, but to evoke certain kind of feelings. And there's just something about physically seeing something in person that I think creates the feeling that I want to evoke with my photography.